Vivo X90 Pro just launched before few days. Fast refresh rate, curved AMOLED display, flagship processor, 1-inch Sony camera sensor, premium in design, fast wireless charging and many more. Today I will show you unboxing and first impression of Vivo X90 Pro, a flagship phone. It will launch soon in UK and global too. Hey guys, Mikey from techmaiky. Please consider subscribing, turning on the notification by hitting that bell icon for more amazing tech videos. So this is the black colored box of Vivo X90 Pro. There is a branding on the top. Let's open the lid of the box. First we have got Vivo X90 Pro phone. Let's unwrap the plastic of the phone and talk about the design and build. After getting the real Vivo X90 Pro phone, the most eye-catching parts are naturally the huge camera module and the metal ribbon in the middle of the pack. Especially when holding it with the one hand, the ribbon could make the hand feel richer, perfectly presenting the characteristics of the metal and ribbon leather materials. In terms of colors, what I got this time is also the most distinctive red version. The grain leather material is very good in both textures and touch, but the thickness of 9.34 mm and the weight of around 214 gram are considered. It's not a lightweight phone. In terms of detail of the ribbon cloud steps, there are the word extreme imagination and Vivo's eyes co-engineered are printed on it, which is full of textures. At the same time, because the main camera is equipped with the large size sensor, the camera module of the Vivo X90 Pro is also unavoidable raised. In order to reduce the visual aberration, the Vivo X90 Pro also transitioned by adding a stainless steel halo ring. The size of the screen is 6.78 inch, made of OLED, and the front is designed with the hole punch in the center. It is characterized by the use of a new generation of luminescent material of Q9 compared with the previous generation Q8 material, although it does not look much on paper. But in reality, its color, energy consumption and the lifespan are all better. It has been improved in all around the way, especially through the new blue diamond pixel arrangements method, which brings a 1.5K resolution of 2800 by 1260 and pixel density of 452 ppi, which balances the delicateness of the screen and the battery life. And the display has a 120Hz refresh rate. In addition to the excellent display effect, the Vivo X90 Pro has also done a lot of work on the screen and eye protection, such as high frequency PWM dimming up to 2160Hz plus chip level blue light control effect, which also directly reduce the blue light damage on the eyes. This time Vivo X90 Pro has Dimensity 9200 octa-core processor based on TSMC's 4nm fabrication process. The super large core Cortex X3 has a main frequency of 3.05 GHz. It is also equipped with a new generation of self-developed chip V2, as well as the LPDDR4X RAM and UFS 4.0 flash memory chips. In addition, Dimensity 9200 supports its LPDDR4X 8533 Mbps running memory and the UFS 4.0 flash memory accelerated by the multi-cycle Q technology. So the performance improvement is very obvious. Let's take a look at the Antutu score. The running score of Antutu reaches the 1.26 million points. In the more professional Geekbench 5, the single core score of the Vivo X90 Pro equipped with the Dimensity 9200 is 1416 points. And the multi-core score is around 4498 points. But what surprised me the most was the test of UFS 4.0 flash memory particles, which suppresses the PCIe 3.0 protocol solid state drive used on the computer. Its sequential read speed reaches the 3796.98 MB per second and the sequential write performance reaches to 3016.65 MB per second. Let's take a look at the gaming test. The first game to the tested is the most famous Genshin Impact and it is set to high definition plus 60 frames. After 31 minutes of game testing, it can be seen that the game frame rate of the Vivo X90 Pro has reached 59.6 FPS. That will be some fluctuation in some battle scenes, but the overall performance is very stable. The X90 Pro can enable the 120Hz ultra high frame rate mode in the King of Glory. So the test is also high quality plus 120Hz ultra high frame rate. In a 14-minute qualifying game, the performance of the Vivo X90 Pro was also extremely amazing, with the average frame rate of the whole game reaching to 119.4 FPS. So the overall gaming performance is outstanding. In terms of camera, the Vivo X90 Pro has a 3 camera. The main camera is exactly the same as the main camera of Vivo X90 Pro Plus, which is a 1-inch outsole IMX989 sensor, 50 megapixel f1.75 large aperture optical image stabilization 2. The 50 megapixel portrait lens with an effect of 50 mm focal length is an IMX758 sensor. The lens has an f1.6 aperture and also supports optical image stabilization. There is also a 12 megapixel 108 degree ultra wide and ultra low distortion lens. The sensor of IMX663 and the aperture is an f2.0. In addition, the Vivo X90 Pro also has a DTOF laser focus sensor and a Zeiss T coating. So the Vivo X90 Pro doesn't have an periscope lens. You can see the image sample here. The Vivo X90 Pro is equipped with the dual batteries equivalent to 4870 mAh, which not only supports 120-watt wired fast charging but also supports 50-watt wireless charging. Both the battery capacity and fast charging performance are better than Vivo X90 Pro Plus. According to the actual measurement, the Vivo X90 Pro only needs 5 minutes to charge 31%, 10 minutes to charge 55%, and the time to charge 100% just about 25 minutes. The price of the Vivo X90 Pro in China starts from 4,999 Chini yuan. If we convert it in sterling pound, is around 495 pound in UK, and in US dollars is around 737 US dollars. Vivo X90 Pro is best in terms of the appearance, performance, screen, camera, battery life and fast charging. The game experience and the video experience have reached a new level. So, what you guys think about it? Tell us your thought in the comment section below. If you have any question, just comment below and give this video a thumbs up and make sure to share it with your friend. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, me signing off. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and keep smiling, and I will see you in the next one.